And go. Playing piano with mommy.
Okay, is Benjamin, he's not jumping while he plays? You guys play? Good job. Yes, you were. Hi, Daniel. Hi. Benjamin. Hi. Yay.
Is that it? Say hi, boys. Hi, Benjamin. Hi, Daniel.
Here's Benjamin on the right. Daniel's on the left in blue. That's Mozart. Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
Bye-bye. We're done practicing.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Until next time.
Yay.